Hi everyone. Today we are going to be making a fresh corn salad. So you're going to be needing corn. You are going to have a red onion, either dried or fresh basil, a pepper of the choice. So the recipe says green pepper, but you can use any pepper that you would like you have on hand. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. Okay, so let's get right started for the day today. Okay. So in here I have my ears of corn, and so I chose this recipe because corn was on sale this week. So instead of 5 ears of corn, they came in 4 ears for the package, which were pretty good size. So I have the corn already in the bowl, ready to go. I have 1 red onion diced up, so I'm gonna throw that in there. 1 red pepper. And so the recipe calls for green, but I chose red because I thought it would give it a really, really nice color. I have my fresh basil here, so we're going to add in that fresh basil. Okay, and so you can see the color already just with the red and the green and the yellow and then that red onion, which is just really, really nice. So I'm going to mix all that together. And then kind of what it is it's just like a basic dressing in a way. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, it's going to be half a teaspoon of some salt. And the salt does not have to be added in, so it would be a personal preference. You don't have to add in the salt, but I am going to for today, so I'll stick right to the recipe. It is half a teaspoon of a black pepper, a ground black pepper, so we're going to add in that. Okay, and then the olive oil is 3 tablespoons, so we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. And this is nice too, with the summer coming up. This is such a nice salad to take to a picnic. I remember last year I took it to a picnic and everybody absolutely loved it. It's so quick and easy to make. I will say too, this recipe, if you make it ahead of time and let all of these flavors just marinate, it is so much better, especially with that fresh basil that we're using. Okay, you can see here, you just look at that beautiful color with that. Okay, well, I hope you guys are able to try this at home now. Have a great day.